Today I am going to start exercise 1.2. 1.2. In this exercise, there are three types of questions. In first type of question, is put the suitable symbol greater than or equal to in the following boxes. Here numbers are given and you have to identify that which is greater or smaller. Question number 1, put the suitable symbol greater than or less than in the following boxes. Numbers are one number 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, box 1284, 0, 2, 3, 4. We read this number as ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakh, 10 lakh, 12 lakh, 34,234. Or here ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. It seems that in the left 12 lakh or in the right 12 lakh, 1 crore. So it is less than right hand of question number. So we put less than this time. This time refers to less than. Similarly, 2, 3, 4 questions are such questions you have to put less than or greater than. If left hand is smaller than right hand, you will put symbol less than. And if the left hand is greater than right hand, then you will put this symbol greater than. So you will solve all questions. Question number 2 is question number 2, enclose the greatest number. Enclose the greatest number by a circle. And the smallest number by a rectangle. In this question, you have to enclose the greatest number by a circle. Question is one number 8152 185. Second number is 8250. Third number is 8182 838 and 8228 888. In this question, we have to enclose the greatest number by a circle. We see that which is greatest and which is the smallest number. All numbers have 5 digits. Now we choose which is greatest. In this question, 82 greatest number. In this question, greatest number is 82,28,888 is the greatest, and the smallest number is 8152,185. 81,52,185. So we circle the greatest number. We circle the greatest number, and we the smallest number by rectangle. The smallest number, greatest number by circle, and the smallest by a rectangle. Smallest number and greatest number. Similarly, question number 2, 3, 4. Now I am going to question number 3. Question number 3, you are asked arrange the following numbers in ascending order. Question number 3, arrange the following numbers in ascending order. Arrange the following numbers in ascending order. The number is 789 304. Second number is 75 309. Fourth number is 76304. And fourth number is 77940. We have to arrange this number into ascending order. To write in ascending order, we write at first the smallest number. In the following numbers, we have to choose which is the smallest. Seven lakh 50,009 is the smallest. So we at first write to arrange in ascending order. To arrange in ascending order. In ascending order. 75 30 we write 309 less than 76,000 7,60,004 7,60,004 and this number is less than 77,90,000 77,90,000 and at last we write 78 lakh 90,004. So in this way we can give the answer of this question. To arrange in ascending order, at first we write the smallest number and after that we write greater than first number and so on. If you are to if you have to arrange in descending order, you will write at first the greatest in the whole and the smallest will be written in the last. Now type 2 questions. Question number 4 is find the difference of the greatest and the smallest number that can be made with the digits 6, 2, 7, 4 and 3, taking each digit only once. Now I am going to describe about question number 4. Question number 4. Find the difference of the greatest and the smallest number that can be made with the digits 6274, 6274 and 3, taking each digit only one, taking each digit only once. Find the difference of the greatest and smallest number that can be made with the digit 6, 2, 7, 4 and 3, taking each digit once. 6, 2, 7, 4 और 3 से बनने वाली बड़ी सी बड़ी संख्या और छोटी सी छोटी संख्या का अंतर क्या होगा? यदि इन संख्याओं को एक ही बार प्रयोग किया जाए, एक ही बार लिखना है हमको 6, 2, 7, 4 एंड 3 को एक ही बार इसको लिखना है। इन अंकों से बड़ी सी बड़ी संख्या और छोटी छोटी संख्या क्या होगा? द ग्रेटेस्ट number with the digits 6, 2, 7, 4 and 3 is greatest number. We have to write. At first we write 7, 6, 4, 3, 2. Greatest number. The smallest number from the given digits 6, 2, 7, 4 and 3. 7, 6, 4, 3, 2. The smallest number we write the smallest digit at first 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. Smallest number. इससे difference बराबर, difference is equal to 7, 6, 4, 3, 2 minus 2, 3, 4, 6, 7 is equal to 0, at first you will make the greatest number from 6, 2, 7, 4 and 3. So this number is 76,432, and to make a smallest number from the given digit 6, 2, 7, 4, 3 is equal to 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. Now the difference between these numbers is 5, 2, 9, 6, 5. Next question 5, 6, 7. Only 2 questions are left in this exercise. So I hope that you will complete this exercise. Thank you.